Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure Blender is updated and your current preferences are backed up. Open Preferences and go straight to Themes. This is where you'll load or edit themes. Once done, gather any theme files you downloaded, zip or PI scripts into one folder for quick access. Make sure Blender is not running heavy projects. Close unnecessary files so changes apply cleanly. This initial prep prevents lost settings and speeds the next steps when you import or customize a theme. Next, you import the theme file through Preferences. Choose Install and select the zip or Python file. Blender will add it to your list. Now customize, change UI colors, contrast, and font sizes. Test those changes in the 3D view, node editor, and UV editor so you see real results. Use the eyedropper for exact color matching and sliders for subtle contrast shifts. Once satisfied, click Save Preferences so the theme persists across sessions. This middle stage is where visual consistency is achieved. Finally, make the theme active and lock it in by saving your startup file so every new project uses it. If something looks off, revert quickly. Use Load Factory Settings or restore your exported preferences back up to recover. If panels or icons are missing, reinstall the theme and check Blender's console for Python errors. This often reveals compatibility issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if an imported theme causes crashes or UI glitches, remove it and retest with only the default theme to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.